Alright, we're about to go get prepared to show a house. Here we have Malena. She's getting her gloves on. Got the mask ready. Everything varies from county to county, but the county where we reside in, we're from, we have to make sure that we have gloves on and take all the necessary precautions before we actually show a house. So we're gonna get started. This is the house here. Let's start with the combo. What you got for us?
I'm just waiting for the clients, and in the meantime we're going to get the house ready, make sure that everything's sanitized, and wear gloves, wear the mask, following all the regulations that we have to show the property. The house is vacant, there's no one here, so we should be good to go. Be ready when the buyers come, when they get here.
And unfortunately, that's not the combo. Alright, now that we got that combination, yeah, go ahead and call him up. Have the client come in. See, we don't want the client coming in just as yet, because we need to make sure things are prepped. We have to take the necessary steps to make sure this is safe for our clients, because people have been coming in, showing the house. If I can get this thing to work. There we go. And so we just kind of clean things up a little bit so that it's ready to go. If I can find that key. Nice. Cool. We already had our client sign the, what is it, the disclaimer?
Coronavirus addendum.
There you go.
Yeah.
Alright, why don't you come on in, follow me along. So, we're going to be turning on the light switches here. If there's anything.
Very nice.
Alright, this is a final touch. Alright, consider this place sanitary. Taking some notes. So right now, we just wait. Clients went in, and so right now we're just hanging out, waiting for clients to come back out. We went in, swept the place, wiped down all the owners. They got out, and it allowed us to come in.
Well, we know the rules, you know, keeping our distance and sanitizing everything, wearing our mask, our gloves, everything, so we're good. Beautiful home.
Yeah. Beautiful neighborhood.
I love it. Two screens.
Champion. All right, wheel and deal.
¿Verdad? So this is the second home that we show. My clients totally loved it, so we don't have to show the third home right now. We're gonna put an offer on this one. We got it.